guys, so let's start to create our e-commerce website. So you can see I have opened up my Visual Studio Code and I am using the command prompt. So I'm going to first of all create our virtual environment in the code folder. So after that let's see, this is successfully created. So now we are going to activate the environment. Okay, so first of all I am going to run pip install Django. So then it should install the Django. You can see that it's successfully installed Django. So after that we are going to run Django /admin start project Django shop. Okay, you can see our Django shop has created, our project is created. So if we go to our Django shop and just run python manage.py run server, so you will see, just go here and you can see that it's saying that the install worked successfully. So after that I am going to okay, so we have our settings.py here, and we have also the database in here, the URLs in here. You can see that. Okay, so python manage.py start app. So you should run this command inside the Django shop directory, so otherwise it will not work. So store, you can see our app is generated in here. Okay, our admin, our model. So I have to register this app to our settings.py in here. So we should register that in here and click save. And after that we are going to create our model. Okay, first of all run manage.py migrate we migrated. So after that, manage.py, let's create our super user. Okay, username should be admin at the rate of admin.com, and the password should be I am giving admin. Okay, so you can see our super user is created. If we go and just run our server, and should have this. Let's go to our admin and just give the admin and also the password you have given while creating the super user in the command prompt. So just log in with that, and you should see that Django administrator page. This is the admin page. Okay, so now we are going to the store and let's create our model, right? Okay, first of all, should be category. Okay, should have a name. The name should has model dot jar field, the max length, TP index should be true. Okay, so this should be the slug models dot slug field should the max length 250, unique should be true. Okay, and there should be a meta class. Handle the verbose name. And we are going to need the steer. Self, it will return the self dot name. Okay, now we are going to give the product model. There should be a title in the product, so title should be models dot jar field, max length 250, and this should be a brand dot jar field, max length 50, should be description, models dot text field, so it can be blank, so I'm adding blank to true. So let's copy the slug field, paste here, and we also need a price, models dot mass field, or the image price should be decimal field, the max digit should be 4, decimal places 2. Also need a image field. It's going to models dot field to images. Okay, going to give a meta tag here, so it should be products, and we are going also need to add the should be the title, the product. Okay, so the admin, go to the admin and just dot models port our category and the product. So type admin dot register category, category admin should be admin model admin, so populated fields should be slug and so the name should be parenthesis. Okay, so the same goes to for the product, should be product admin, and this should be title. If we click save, and we have an issue because below is not installed, we are having the image field here, so we have to install below. after adding that, we have to just python manage.py to run make migrations to see that saying should be a list of double, so we need to enter comma in here, so click save and run the migrations again. So yeah, you can see our migration is done. So if I type page up or page down, okay, if you type page down you should see the recent command, so type migrate, that it has been created. So if I go to python manage.py run server, just go to our here and go to the admin. So you can see that we have a category and the product just have created here. This fields, if we go and add a product, you can see it's just can add a product in here. Now I also have a category here. So yeah, this is it guys, so I will see you in the next video.